Okay, we're going to be doing level 4 in relationships between angles. So we're going to kind of do an imitation of the one that says on the back. The only thing I'm going to change for the level 4 that's on your worksheet is I'm going to change the angle measure. By changing the angle measure, I give myself basically a different problem. So instead of 35, let's use 45. Okay? So the first thing it says is for me to construct angle ABC at 45 degrees. So tell me this. If angle ABC is 45 degrees, what is the vertex of angle ABC? B is correct. So I will make it 45. I'll use my protractor. I'll make a little mark indicating 45. And I'll construct my 45-degree angle. Feel free to try to keep up. I'm not going to try to lose you. I'm going to try to keep it at a pace where you can keep up. So this angle is how many degrees here?
45.
45. And B is my vertex. I'm going to put A up here. And I'm going to put what down here? C. Good. Okay. So next, and this is key, it says add line AB. Do we have line AB?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
No.
It's not a line yet. It's a ray. So when it says add line AB, I've got to turn it into a line. So what that means is I have to extend beyond B, turning it into a line, and line BC. Do I have line BC?
No.
No. So I extend it. Okay. Okay. Now here's something that, even if English is your first language, a lot of people don't know this. It says through D and E respectively. Everybody yell out if you know what respectively means. Respectful? No, it doesn't. It's a good guess. It's a solid guess. Does anyone know what respectively means?
No.
Let's try this. Sarah and Dave have 3 and 4 sisters respectively. Respectively. There we go. I don't know what's up with my spelling. Sarah and Dave have 3 and 4 sisters respectively.
Common.
Nope. Good guess. Respectively.
The same.
No. It means that
Order given.
in the order given. There we go. Sarah, being the first one, will be linked to the first term. So Sarah has 3 sisters. Dave has 4 sisters. Does everybody get that? By the way, Dave and Sarah are brother and sister. Did you get that?
Yes.
Why does Dave have more than Sarah?
Because
Sarah's a girl and Dave's a boy. Ooh, tricky. All right. So, thinking about this, line AB goes through which? Does it go through D or does it go through E?
Through D and then.
No. Line AB goes through which point?
Oh.
Read it. Line AB goes through D, and line BC goes through E, because the first one goes with the first term, the second one goes with the second term. So the point that I'm going to put on AB will be what point? D. And the point that I'm going to put on BC is going to be E. It doesn't actually matter where, but as we're saying, line AB and CB with point D and E respectively, meaning in the order given. It's a good answer. Okay. Next, it says find the measure of angle EBA. So here's EBA. So can anyone tell me what would be the measure of angle EBA?
40.
Incorrect. What's the relationship here?
135.
Linear pairs, so it's going to be
135.
135. Excellent. Okay, next it says find the measure of angle EBD. Well, here's EBD, so what would that one be? 45. That's easy, it's just vertical angles. Okay. And then measure of angle DBC. Well, here's D, here's B, here's C, so what's this one? 135. Excellent, okay. All right, so next, it says construct angle BAF congruent to angle ABC. Congruent to ABC. So do we already have angle ABC?
Yes.
Yes. So if we're going to construct angle BAF, let's analyze angle BAF. BAF. Which one would be the vertex in angle BAF?
Wait,
A would be the vertex. Good. What would be the two sides of angle BAF?
BF.
A.
BF.
Ray
AB.
AB. There we go. Ray AB and ray
AF.
AF. Okay. Do we have ray AB at this point?
No.
No. Yes.
Yes, we do. We can start at A and go through B, right?
Or.
So we do. Do we have ray AF?
No.
No, we don't know where F is, do we? So that's the part of the angle we've got to construct. So, here's a quick reminder. We've constructed congruent angles before. What we're going to do is we're going to take angle ABC, the one that we started with. We'll put the sharp tip of our compass on the vertex, which is point what?
B.
B. And we'll construct an arc. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the vertex of our new angle, which is which point?
A.
A. We'll put the point there, and we'll construct a congruent arc. So now, we've constructed these two arcs. They have the same measure. The reason for that is that we want this distance here to be the same as this distance here. The reason is every point on this arc is the same distance from A as every point on this arc is from B. So that when we use our compass in the important step of getting this measure, we know that this distance here will be the same as the distance from here to the intersection there, meaning this angle that we construct will be congruent to this angle. So I take my compass, I line it up to these two intersections, I get my measurement. Then I put the point at this intersection here, and I create an arc. And this arc intersects the previous arc, setting up this ray, which, as we were doing before, as we know from before, of course, gives us a congruent angle. So, this is where it gets really awesome. This angle is congruent to this angle by the construction. So, it's going to be how many degrees?
45.
45. Now, I want you to think about something. The relationship between these two angles, are they on the same side of this line or opposite sides?
Opposite.
Opposite, but they're between these two lines. Doesn't that make them alternate interior angles? And if alternate interior angles are congruent, what do we know about these two lines? What do we know about these lines? Anybody? They're parallel. Exactly. Because the alternate interior angles are congruent, the lines are parallel. So we're really close to the end now. Okay, it says add line AF through G. Do we have line AF yet?
Yeah.
No. By the way, what would be the name of this point? Does anyone want to back up on that? F. And it's F because this is angle BAF. Okay, so line AF. Right now what we have is ray AF, so how do we turn it into a line?
Extend it.
So we extend it, we make it longer to the other direction. Okay? You can see what we're constructing. We're really constructing parallel lines cut by a transversal. The next step says extend ray BA. So we have ray BA, but we're going to extend it. What does extend mean?
Expand.
Expand to make it what? Longer, right? So we extend it, we make it longer, and it says through H. So where's H going to be? H is going to be up here. Sure. Okay. So now, measure of angle FAH. What's the measure of angle FAH here?
45.
Incorrect.
135.
135. Look at it. It's the corresponding angle to this one.
Oh,
So it's going to be 135. Or you can do the linear pairs with the 45. Measure of angle HAG. HA, and by the way, what's this point over here going to be? It's going to be G. So HAG is going to be how many degrees? 45. And then measure of angle GAB. Here's G, here's A, here's B. What will this one be? 135. Last set of questions. HAG, angle HAG, and angle DBC. So HAG and DBC are same side exterior, is correct. Same side exterior, good. Angle FAB, which is this one, and angle CBA, or CBA, CBA. So FAB and CBA are what? Alternate interiors, correct, good. Angle EBD, so that would be this one here. And angle FAB, here's FAB, is this one. They would be what? Corresponding is correct, good. And angle FAB, which we just had, FAB, and GAB, here's GAB, would be, what are the ones that are next to each other?
Linear pair.
Linear pair is the answer. So, we've completed the entire thing. I'd like everybody to notice what it says on the bottom. It says, for more practice on level 4, please repeat the problem with a different angle measure for angle ABC. This should help you create a decent process. That is the case, so give yourself an extra problem and you'll have a better idea how to do level 4. Thank you.